a youth regular. Baby, cock up your...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with MAC's Pro Longwear foundation in the shade NW45, and I'm mixing that with some oil just to keep my face hydrated. I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm just using this to prime my eyelids. Next, I'm taking MAC's Basic Bitch palette, and I'm going in with the color Hell in Heels. And I'm going in with the shade called Miss Personality, and I'm just putting this right on top of Hell in Heels. Then with my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte shades, I'm going in with this purple pink color, and I'm just putting this right on top. I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just putting this over my eyebrows and taking some eyeshadow just to like kind of blend it in. I don't want it to be too dark. And here I'm just bringing it upwards just to make it look more like of a skull, and I'm going based off of my natural features, so it's best if you do that so it can make it look more natural. Here you're gonna see me put some blue eyeshadow on my forehead. I didn't really follow through with that. I went straight to the black Game Player color in the Basic Bitch palette just to put it over my hairline so that whenever you're putting the paint, it blends in a little bit more with your hair. I'm using an angled brush and going back in with that Game Player color and also mixing it with Hell in Heels. And I'm just trying to blend this in. You can make like an angry face to follow through with those lines as well. And I'm taking that same black eyeshadow and I'm just going ahead and make the jaw structure. I'm going based off my own face, starting where my ear starts and a little bit below my cheekbones. Then I went in with some black washable paint that I got from Walmart, and I'm just putting this on top of the eyeshadow just to make the black look a little bit darker. And now I'm just taking back that black eyeshadow just to set the paint. And now I'm just cleaning up with some of that foundation that I used. And I'm using some of the foundation mixed with a little bit of the black just to buff it out, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Here I started using Game Player just to get kind of an outline of where I want my gems to be. Here is all the gems and rhinestones that I got. I got them from Walmart. They were like 97 cents each. And I'm using liquid latex to set them in place. For the glitter, I'm using NYX glitter glue, and I'm just putting this all around my eye, making sure that I go above my eyebrows because I'm also using liquid latex later on. For the glitter, I'm using 3 different kinds. I'm using the red and copper from NYX and a pink one from MAC. This is where you're gonna see me realize that I should have made a separate, like a space between the line, but I'm going ahead and use that same black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm just putting this on like around my temples and my forehead, and I'm putting the black paint just to make sure that it stays in place. And you definitely want to use foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 335. It's not my exact color, it's a little lighter, and I'm just using this to outline the black, and it's gonna give that, it's just gonna put the icing on the cake, okay? Now I'm using that liquid latex. Be very careful to make sure you don't put it on your eyebrows because it's gonna be really hard for it to come off. Here I'm going in with another purple shade, and I'm just putting this at the bottom of the eye. Here I'm going in with the color Shy Girl, and I'm just gonna put this all on top of my lid. Now I'm going in with my red shade from my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just putting that right on top where my eyebrow is. Now I'm going in with the black paint, and I'm putting this below my eyes, and instead of using the black eyeshadow to set it, this time I'm gonna use the purple shade to set it. And now I'm just taking that black paint, and I'm just going over the purple crease that I have made earlier, and I'm just trying to fade it in a little bit more. And for lashes, I'm using my Ardell in the style 203, and while that sits and dries, I'm gonna go ahead and start using my body paint. And now I'm just painting the rest of my body, and yes, I was wearing a bandeau, so yes, I was wearing some clothes. And I'm just doing like a rough draft with the paint, and then to correct it, I'm going to be using the same Maybelline foundation in the shade 335. I'm taking my spray bottle, and I'm going to part my hair in the middle using this rat tail comb from Conair. I'm using a very soft bristle brush, and I'm putting my hair into space buns, and I'm just putting the other side in, just, you know, to get out the way. I'm using my little scrunchie, and I'm using my Tingle Tees to make sure I get all the hair and make sure that it's flat as possible. And now I'm taking these fake flowers that I got from Joann's. They were like $1 each, I believe. Now I'm using my NYX eyeshadow in the color Hot Pink, and I'm just putting this below the black so that it fades into the pink. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I made for you guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.